Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're diving into the timeless lessons of The Richest Man in Babylon, a classic book by George Samuel Clayson. This book has been a guide for generations when it comes to mastering personal finance, wealth building, and achieving financial independence. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking for inspiration to grow your wealth, these principles are as relevant today as they were in ancient Babylon. So, who was the richest man in Babylon? And what can we learn from him? The book tells the story of Arkad, a humble man who becomes the wealthiest man in the great city of Babylon, one of the wealthiest cities of the ancient world. His wealth wasn't inherited. It was earned through wisdom, discipline, and smart financial choices. And today, we're going to break down the key lessons from Arkad's journey. Before we dive into the key lessons, let me ask you, how often do we hear about people getting rich quickly or taking huge risks? It's tempting, isn't it? But Arkad's story teaches us that real wealth doesn't come from luck or chance. It comes from steady, well-planned actions over time. Now, let's break down the 7 essential principles that will help anyone. The first lesson is simple but powerful. Start thy purse to fattening. In other words, begin saving a portion of your income right away. Arkad's secret: he set aside 10% of everything he earned, no matter what. This might sound small, but when you consistently save a portion of your earnings, that 10% grows over time. And it's not just about saving, it's about prioritizing saving before anything else. Imagine paying yourself first, before paying bills, buying gadgets, or spending on entertainment. You save. Over time, this habit will compound and set you on the path to financial freedom. Next, Arkad advises, control thy expenditures. Simply put, spend less than you earn. It's not about living miserably or depriving yourself. It's about prioritizing your needs over wants. Take a hard look at your expenses. Are there things you're spending money on that you don't really need? Cutting unnecessary expenses allows you to save more and invest more in your future. The third principle is perhaps the most important. Make thy gold multiply. Arkad stresses the importance of investing wisely. Saving alone isn't enough. You must make your money work for you. Whether it's investing in stocks, real estate, or a business venture, your money needs to grow. But remember, make informed, educated decisions before you invest. The key takeaway here is that passive wealth building like compound, interest, or income-generating investments, Arkad advises caution when it comes to risky ventures. Protecting your money is just as important as growing it. Invest in ways that minimize risk. Always seek advice from experts and be cautious of get-rich-quick schemes. Your wealth is too valuable to lose on ill-advised risks. The fifth principle is about owning your own home. Make of thy dwelling a profitable investment. Arkad suggests that your home should not just be a place to live, but also a source of value. This could mean buying a home you can afford and ensuring it appreciates in value. In modern times, this principle can also apply to real estate investment as a long-term wealth-building tool. Next, Arkad talks about securing your future. Ensure a future income. This is about preparing for the long term and making sure that your retirement is secure. Start investing in retirement funds, insurance, and other long-term assets now. The earlier you begin, the more secure your future will be. Finally, the most important lesson: increase your ability to earn. Arkad emphasizes the value of continuous self-improvement and education. The more skills you develop, the more opportunities will open up. Whether it's learning a new trade, improving your current profession, or even starting a side hustle, increasing your earning potential is key to long-term success. So, there you have it. The 7 timeless lessons from the richest man in Babylon. These principles have helped countless individuals build wealth, and they can help you too. If you haven't already, I highly recommend reading this book. It's short, but packed with wisdom that you can apply immediately to your life. And remember, wealth isn't just about money. It's about building security, freedom, and a life you're proud of. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our future content. Also, share your favorite lesson from the book in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep building your wealth, one step at a time.